Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing out a wig from SHEIN. It's under $100 and it's supposed to be human hair. I had to try this out. It has their 9 a.m. new features where basically it arrives to your door. You're supposed to open up the box, throw it on and go. And we're going to test it out to see how true that is. What these wigs have that are so different compared to other wigs is it has a pre-cut lace into the front of the forehead. So you do not have to cut the lace yourself. If you are somebody just getting started and you need help with cutting lace, it's already done for you. It also has pre-bleach knots, so you're not going to have all those dots in the front of the forehead, and it's also supposed to be pre-plucked, so you have that natural type of look. Basically, they are claiming they do all the things that really expensive brands do, but for under $100. And we're going to test out, see if it's true, see what this actually looks like, if it looks natural onto my forehead, and we're going to go up close. I'm going to show you everything. We're going to put heat test to it, and we're going to see how good this wig is, if it actually looks natural or if it's just a wiggy disaster. So let's get started. I know you guys tend to ask a lot for the links to these wigs, so I'll leave it in the comment section down below. I'll actually pin it with all the details that I chose whenever I was choosing this wig, so you can get the exact same one. And if you guys want 60% off of your wigs on SHEIN, you can search 111 in the search bar on SHEIN and you're gonna get a free gift and 60% off of those wigs. Let's get into it. I haven't opened this box yet and I'm so excited to see what it actually looks like inside. Their packaging is always so cute. I'm gonna open it up with these scissors. I'm actually using my lace cutting scissors. I should not be doing that, but I don't really have anything else at the moment. So opening it up, let's see what we're getting inside. Ooh, this is new. I have been getting wigs from SHEIN for a while. I've never gotten this bag before. It's so pretty. It says 9 a.m. hair and you get some goodies. Okay, these are like really good goodies. I am actually very excited about this. I haven't received like a SHEIN wig in so long. Let me show you guys the goodies inside. So you get this wig grip right here. I don't know if you guys have ever tried a wig grip before. These are so good. They hold on to the wigs. You don't have to use any type of glue. You don't have to use any Gotta Be glue spray or anything. These really hold on to the wigs and they're some of my favorite. And they could be like a little bit pricey onto Amazon. I think they're like 10 bucks or 15 bucks onto Amazon. And there's even some that I really like for 25. So the fact that you're getting this for free is amazing. I've never received a wig grip from a company, I don't think, before. I think only once, and I loved it. So that's a really good, they included that. They also gave a wig cap, and then you get this bag, and it's like a silky bag. It says 9 a.m. hair, and let's open it up. I think the color of this, like the peachy type of pink, is so pretty. And I'm gonna pull out the 9 a.m. hair. I am so excited now after seeing all this packaging. I'm so excited. Look at the little sticker right here. I love the colors that they use. I feel like their marketing is amazing. I feel like the packaging looks so good. The bag it's in has really leveled up compared to what I used to get. So it's nice to see that SHEIN is like advancing with their wigs and stuff like that. But let me open this up and show you guys what the wig is looking like. So this is the photo of the listing. I wanted to show you guys because I was so scared whenever I saw that it has different colors of blonde. I felt like the blonde looked a little bit off into the photo and I was so nervous about getting it, but look at the blonde. I'm so impressed with the color of the blonde. I thought the blonde was going to be an issue. The reason why I ended up getting a blonde wig from their 9 a.m. section is because blonde wigs, like, yes, okay, they claim that they have pre-bleach knots, but blonde wigs always have the best knots. So the knots are the little dots along the forehead. I'll show you guys a clip right here of what dots on the forehead and like knots, what they look like, okay? And a lot of wigs, a lot of brown colored wigs have these. Even if they say that they pre-bleach the knots, a lot of them come like this. So I noticed whenever I got blonde wigs, because they were bleaching all of the hair, the knots look the most realistic, and I never have an issue whenever it comes to blonde wigs looking like it's actually coming out of my skin. The hair looks like it's really naturally coming out. So that's why I always go for the blonde wigs. And this one, I'm so excited to show you guys up close. Look at the knots. The hair looks like it's coming out of the skin. I'm laying this right on top of my hands and it looks so natural. Another thing I was really nervous about is actually the lace, because whenever I looked online, it said nothing about the lace. It didn't say if it had a tint. It didn't say nothing. It just said melting lace, which I didn't know if that was invisible lace. I didn't know if it was HD, Swiss lace. Like, there's so many different type of laces that you can get, and I was looking out for it and I couldn't find it anywhere. But I'm gonna put this close up so you guys can see. This one is definitely transparent, so it's going to take on any color that it goes against. It's pretty light, so if you are fair skin, this is going to match you perfectly. I have the wig on. I parted it to the side. I think that's what looks the best. But on Shein, I feel like they always have like a one size fits all. I have a very small forehead, like not forehead, I have a small head. There you go. And that's what's making this lift happen. I don't know if you see that lift. It's really visible, and there's no way I'd be able to throw this on and go. Like, I never had this issue actually with Shein before. I don't know if they changed or they adjusted the laces onto their wigs. Maybe a lot of people were complaining that the wigs were not big enough, especially it's saying that it's a one size fits all. I don't know, but I definitely need small wig caps. And so I'm having a little bit of the lifting. That's not going to happen for everybody. If you usually get like a medium or a large wig cap, then this is not going to happen to you. But for me, it is just because I need a super small one. I like it a little bit slanted to the side. Usually you would have this straight into the middle. I like it kind of slanted over just a little bit. That's not what's causing the lifting though. I did have it into the middle, and I was still getting the lifting. So this is just what I'm going to do. I'm going to, because I have a bigger forehead, a smaller head, I'm going to use some melting spray, like not a melting spray, but like some gotta be glue. You're not supposed to with this wig. It's supposed to be a 9, like throw it and go. If it fit me properly, I could definitely get away with that because the lace melts into the skin. I don't know if you see that. It looks like the hair is coming straight out of my skin. You cannot see this lace. It would have been so good if it was the right size for my head. We're gonna go in with some Gotta Be Glue hairspray. I said I wasn't gonna use this. I have to. I have no choice. This is not going to work out for me. I need some type of glue. So if you guys have a smaller head, this is the kind of thing that you're going to have to do every single day to get this wig to lay down properly onto you. Before we get into this, let me show you guys the sides of this wig. So right here, you guys can see that it comes all the way to my ear. It's not lace. The lace stops right here. And that's the difference between getting like a lace that goes ear to ear compared to just on the top area. You're not going to have any lace here. So on this side, because I did tilt it a little bit, I'm going to have this type of amount of my hair showing. If I would have it straight into the middle, I don't think I'd have that problem. I think both sides would be covered like this, but it's not going to have lace onto the side. That's just what you have to keep in mind. Let's go in with some Gotta Be Glue spray and glue her down and see what she looks like and style her and make her all pretty because I really like this one.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say,
I had to leave a little bit of lace right here, but the hair, whenever it's down, it's going to easily hide it. So you guys can see it doesn't show at all. So if you have a bigger head, that's just what's going to happen. And I'm just going to brush it out so this way none of that glue is showing. Sometimes this can tend to be a little bit flaky whenever you use Gotta Be Glue spray, and I just want the hair to fluff up again. I want it to look like it's coming out of my head with no stiffness like a hairspray would give. I want it to look super fluffy, and that's why I like going in with these type of combs right here. So this is the one that I love to use. It has like a harder type of section right here, and then it has a softer one, and I'm just going to brush that through. Put a lot of body mousse and flatten it down. There we go. And then we're going to do that here as well, just to give a more natural look. But now for the fun part, let's use some heat onto it. I usually would go ahead and make this super straight to give it like a bob look. Do I want to make it straight or do I want to add some curls? Let's add curls to this side just to see what it will do with the heat, and then if it looks like crazy, then let's straighten it out and see what this like wig would look like, because it has this little flip, so it definitely needs to have some type of heat. Do I go like this and make it? Oh, that would actually be so nice. No, you know what, we're going to straighten this. We're going to make it really, really pretty. We're going to make it like the perfect bob haircut. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're not adding curls. Hair quality is amazing. The knots on the wig, invisible. The lace color is super transparent and it looks really natural. The wig grip, everything about this wig, it really is one of those wigs that you could throw on and feel like it's super secure to your head, especially with all the clips on the inside. And it took the heat so well. Like this, I put heat onto this for a very long time, longer than I would have liked, and it took really well. It didn't snap or anything like that. So this is such a good quality wig. If you have a small cap size, like, I'm sorry, I think you should skip out onto this. But if you are medium to large, I think you are gonna find this so easy to throw on and go. It's not gonna like take all the steps that I showed you today. It's really gonna be an easy wig. She's so adorable. I love how dense she is. She's really, really nice, like the perfect amount of thickness where it looks natural and good. And I feel like she's the cutest bob ever. And if you guys want to get your hands onto her, I'll leave her linked in the comment section and down below. And definitely go check this wig out. The color is so good. I'm going to show you guys clips too of in the natural daylight, because my lights tend to make everything look yellowy or orangey sometimes. And I don't know why they're doing that, because I have it on like the cooler tone. So I don't know why they do that, but I'm going to show you guys clips of this wig in different scenarios, and I hope you guys enjoy this one. Please let me know your thoughts. If you're still here, leave a strawberry down below. Let me know you guys are still here to support. I love when you guys do that, and I'll see you guys next.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.